going on? This is not just the same old song. This is a different type of dance. How many times in your life have you been told to pull up your motherfucking pants? Or walk right, talk right, act right, rap right. Everybody wanna talk but they act right. That's a fact, right? Everybody turn their back, right? Fake ass people and fake ass friends, fake ass lives and fake ass grins. I ain't listen to them, I just listen to the fucking record spin and rock this beat that's so damn sweet. Yeah, you hear it, but you don't even pay attention to the fucking lyrics. So you better remember who the fuck the superstar is, motherfucker. Remember when I was younger, it's a wonder I wasn't the underdog that came from under these motherfuckers and took the fucking light from them and did it right in front of them. Cause they couldn't stop me, they couldn't top me, they wanted to Tupac me, leave me laying like fuck somebody shot me. I've always been just a little bit crazy, but I take my aggression and I put it in my songs, and I take my weed and I put it in my bong, make a couple of tracks, make motherfuckers sing along. Who? Jay Bird, word, that's what I heard from the crowd. Look down, take my axe, hold it up in the air, tell motherfuckers to be aware. And if you haven't heard, then you better be scared, cause we are coming and we're taking what's ours now. And we're coming, we're bringing all our power.